In this video, I'll show you how to change the app icon size on your iPhone so you can make icons bigger or smaller. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Scroll to the bottom and tap Display Zoom. Switch from Default to Larger Text, then tap Use Zoomed. Your screen will restart and app icons will appear bigger. If text becomes too large, you can adjust it later in text size settings. Go back to your home screen. Tap and hold on an empty area until Edit mode opens. Tap Edit in the top left, then tap Customize. Tap the large icon option at the top. This makes app icons bigger and removes app names. To make one app even bigger, press and hold the app icon. At the top, choose a larger widget size. This turns the app into a large icon that opens instantly. And that's how you change app icon size on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more easy iPhone guides.